Hi guys and welcome back on my channel. Today's project is the Leona's World from League of Legends, and with this project I want to show you don't need really expensive machine, a really expensive printer to build something big. For this project I used the Dremel, the printer I do the review a couple of video ago. I will leave the link on the description and will appear here somewhere. I will not lose time, let you see the time-lapse of the print and the time-lapse where I build and paint the sword, and I will show you at the end the sword finished. It's really nice, I'm really happy with the results, so I'll leave you at the time-lapse. So this is the sword finish. I really like it. It came out really nice. I will show you some picture to see better the result, the final result. And I'm really happy to be we can say medium machine about the cost of the machine, because it's around 850 pounds, so something around 1000 euro. It's really nice machine. I really like it, and the only things is the slicer. I use Simplified 3D and not the Dremel because I have some strange problem with the Dremel. So I suggest you to use Simplify, or if you find it's nothing, you doesn't have problem with Dremel, just go with the Dremel slicer. But it's really nice machine, I love it, and this is the result. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I have so many projects will come soon, so subscribe to the channel, share the video if you like it, and put a thumbs up, and if you want to support the channel, use the affiliate code of Amazon in the description, and for my social and everything, so you can find on the always in the description. And I suggest you to follow me on Snapchat because I always release some spoiler of what I'm doing. So see you at the next one.